everyone, I am Analea Martinez, a hospitality management student. Today, I want to share what compassion truly means to me, how we live it out in caring for others and our environment, and why communal discernment is the key to making our university and our whole world a kinder, more compassionate place. Compassion for me, in my own words, means treating every person equally and with respect, no matter their situation in life, whether they are rich or poor. This is what we call Philippines called malasakit, or genuine concern for others. When someone asks for help or is going through a hard time, you are there to support them, give advice, and be a comfort to them without asking for anything in return. In short, it is love for our neighbors shown through kind deeds with no expectations of reward. We should always practice this compassion in our daily lives, at home, in school, and wherever we go, because it's helped build a kinder, stronger community where no one left behind. We also show compassion when we care for our environment. Here in our province in Tarlac, I always plant trees and join tree plantings activities in our barangay, especially now the strong typhoons keep hitting the Philippines. I do this out of genuine care for our nations, asking for nothing in return, because its natural helps, protects, and nourish our surroundings. This is compassion in actions, looking out for others even when no one has. We should treat nature with kindness too. Never throw trash anywhere, cut down trees carelessly, or let rivers get dirty. When nature suffers, it is not just the environment that suffers. We also Filipinos suffer as well, especially our farmers and many other people who rely on healthy lands and clean water to make a living. Truly caring for nation is one way of caring deeply for our fellow citizens. When we look after our surrounding with a selfless heart, we learn that the real compassion goes beyond ourselves. It's reach out to the people we never met and make sure everyone's today and in the future has what they need to live decently and with respect. Now, what is communal discernment? It's when we came together as groups, students, teachers, family, or neighbors to listen to anyone's side, understand what people truly needs, and decide together what is the right and fair things to do. It's not just following what one person say or what is easiest. It's talking openly, respecting different views, and putting the goods of all about our own wants. Here in our university, Pan Pacific University, this really matters. We have classmates from all over, some from cities, some from far provinces, some well off, others working hard just to stay in school. If we only focus on ourselves, we miss these quiet struggles around us. But with communal discernment, we gather and ask, how do we leave no one behind? How can we treat everyone fairly? For example, instead of judging those in simple clothes or late from long travels, we understand their situations and help them to adjust. We make open study groups, share notes freely, and create spaces where nobody feels out of place. And even in caring for our campus, we agreed together on segregating trash, doing cleanups, saving electricity, small choices that keep our school safe and comfortable for everyone. These same spirits work for our whole country and beyond. We Filipinos are known for helping each other during typhoons, floods, or hard days. But true compassion also means planning for lasting goods. Through communal discernment, we listen to farmers, workers, indigenous groups, and young peoples whose voices are often ignored. We learn fairness means giving everyone a chance to grow, protecting the lands that feed us, and ensuring no one is left out just because they poor or have less status. Compassion alone isn't always enough, but when we add communal discernment, listening deeply, understanding fully, and deciding together, our care becomes stronger, fairer, and reach more peoples. It's turned simple acts of kindness in a culture where everyone feels valued and truly belongs. This is how we make PU or Pan Pacific University and our whole world a compassionate place, treating all as equal, helping freely, caring for our shared home, and walking and deciding as one community, just like the Filipino spirit we're proud of. Thank you, and may we always choose kindness and fairness in everything we do. No act of care is too small when it is shared and guided by wisdom. When we pause to listen first before we act, we avoid mistakes and make sure our help actually reaches those who need it most. It stops us from giving what we think they want and instead give what they truly need. In our classroom, this means speaking up for classmates who are too shy to share their struggles and working together to find solutions that work for everyone. In our daily lives, it means looking beyond our own circles and seeing the farmers who feed us, the worker who keeps our town running, and the families who dream just of a better future just like we do. At Pan Pacific University, these peers start with us, students, teachers, and staff alike. We do not need to be rich or powerful to make a difference. All we need is an open heart, a listening ears, and the willingness to set aside our wants for the goods of all. When we carry this mindset, whenever we go, we bring light to places that have been forgotten, hope to those who feel left behind, and strength to a community that stands as one. This is the legacy we leave behind, not just grade or achievements, but a words where kindness and fairness are not just words, but a way of life that everyone can live and enjoy. With compassion as our guide, let me express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for taking time to listen and reflect with me today. Your presence and attentions already show that you are carry a heart open to caring and sharing. Thank you to our beloved Pan Pacific University for being a place where we learn not just lessons from books, but also the true meaning of kindness, unity, and service to others. To our teachers who patiently guide us to grow into better people, to our fellow students who walk us beside us through every challenge, and to everyone who strives to make our community a safer and fairer home. Above all, thank you for keeping alive that beautiful Filipino spirit of helping one another, listening deeply, and deciding together for the good of all. May this word never fade into memory alone, but become a living part of every choice we make, every action we take, and every place we go. Let's us always choose compassion, walk in unity, and lift each other up so that no one is ever left behind. May we continue to build a world where every person is valued, every voice is heard, and every life is treated with dignity and respect. Thank you once again, and may we all be blessed with the courage to care and the wisdom to stand together as one.